Have you ever wondered who can delete a Smartsheet? So you're not alone. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that is used by millions of people around the world. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's important to understand who has the ability to delete your Smartsheet data. In this video, we'll answer the question, who can delete a Smartsheet? We'll also discuss the different levels of access that users have to Smartsheet data, and we'll provide some tips on how to protect your data. Imagine you're working on an important project in Smartsheet. You've spent hours or even days collecting and organizing your data, and you're confident that you're on the right track. But then one day you open your Smartsheet and find that all of your data is gone. It's been deleted. What would you do? Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that is used by millions of people around the world. It allows users to create and share spreadsheets, forms, and reports. Smartsheet also provides a number of features that make it easy to collaborate with others on projects. Because Smartsheet is such a powerful tool, it's important to understand who has the ability to delete your data. This is especially important if you're working on a sensitive project or if you're sharing your data with other people. Who can delete a Smartsheet? The answer to this question depends on the level of access that a user has to the Smartsheet. There are 4 levels of access in Smartsheet. Owner. Owners have full access to the Smartsheet. They can create, edit, delete, and share the Smartsheet. Administrator. Administrators have full access to all Smartsheets in the organization. They can also create and delete users and assign permissions to users. Contributor. Contributors can create, edit, and delete their own Smartsheets. They can also share their Smartsheets with other users. Viewer. Viewers can only view Smartsheets that they have been shared with. They cannot create, edit, or delete Smartsheets. In addition to the above levels of access, there are also 2 special roles that can delete Smartsheets. Site owner. Site owners have full access to all Smartsheets in the site. They can also create and delete users and assign permissions to users. Support. Support has full access to all Smartsheets in the organization. They can also create and delete users and assign permissions to users. How to protect your Smartsheet data. There are a number of things you can do to protect your Smartsheet data. Use strong passwords. Make sure that you use strong passwords for your Smartsheet account. Enable 2-factor authentication. 2-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Share your Smartsheets with only trusted users. Don't share your Smartsheets with people who you don't trust. Back up your Smartsheets. Regularly back up your Smartsheets to a cloud storage service or to a local drive. Monitor your Smartsheet activity. Keep an eye on your Smartsheet activity log to see who has been accessing your data. Understanding who can delete a Smartsheet is important for protecting your data. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that your data is safe. If you have any questions about who can delete a Smartsheet, please leave a comment below. We would be happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep your data secure.